What's with that outfit? Why is he so fat? Why is he staring?
Oh, Rihanna! Relax!
Out of his office, right smack dab in the middle of the house. He can...
Huh?
He had a fit. Where's the bottle? Yeah, Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Stay naked. No! Mommy's a cutie.